So, Chris, a real estate attorney is a key integral part of a real estate transaction. You're the legal arm of my team. However, there are a multitude of different types of attorneys out there. Why is a real estate attorney different, and why should I choose a real estate attorney to assist me in the transaction?
Sure. Well, as you can imagine, the law is very complex. There are all sorts of different areas of law: criminal, civil, you have torts, you have personal injury, you have all sorts of areas of law that can, come into play. So not every attorney is able to know every single law that's out there or how the law applies to every situation or transaction. So us as a real estate attorney, our main focus is real estate transactions and mainly residential real estate transactions. So it's something that we deal with several hundred times each year, and something that we have known and done throughout the course of our history here at Collander Law.
I kind of liken it to if you need a neurosurgeon, contact your podiatrist. He's probably heard of the brain, he's familiar with it, but you don't want him to be busting out a scalpel.
That's correct. The same reason that I do not represent clients in criminal matters is because I do not do that for a practice, and therefore I am not fully, readily able to assist clients in those matters and ensuring that we're meeting the deadlines, not violating any rules within the court system or otherwise. And same thing on the real estate side. There are certain things that the attorney is responsible to handle. And if the attorney is not somebody that does this on a regular basis, they might not have the necessary connections with a title company or with a surveyor, or understand how to order homeowners association documents from a management company. Those are all things that you learn, and although they may not be the most difficult things to know or understand, if you don't know them, it's pretty obvious for everybody else in the transaction at the outset that you're going to make this a pain in everybody's butt.
Yeah, absolutely. So if I know that in our area it isn't legally required that you use a real estate attorney, but it sounds like you're well worth a couple $100 to ensure that things. I don't want to have to figure out how to order title or make sure there isn't a lien on a property. Like, you do a lot of things in the background a lot of folks don't even know about to make sure things go well.
Yeah, the way I always view it or say it is that we do this several hundred times every year. Most clients maybe do it a handful of times in their life. And ultimately, for a couple $100 to have a legal eye on what is most likely the largest financial transaction of that client's life up to that date, for a couple $100 to have a legal eye on a $400,000, $500,000, or even an $80,000 home purchase, it's well worth the several $100 to ensure that things go correct from the legal side.
It's a no-brainer.
Correct.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Chris.
Thanks, John.